drop the paraphernalia charges.
Hey,
Hey, sir.
it's that JC guy that records everything.
Yeah.
He's in here, so I believe we're within our rights to ask him to leave, and then if he doesn't,
Yeah, absolutely.
trespass. So yeah, that's just what we'd like to do at this point.
Okay.
He's not been too rowdy, but the recording, he's trying to push his phone into the window and stuff like that. So, yeah. So
Okay.
I think that's about it.
All right.
Do you need me for anything necessarily right now, or?
But you guys, if he doesn't leave, do you want me to charge him with trespassing?
Yeah, I mean, if he doesn't leave,
Okay.
he mentioned, hey, I know law enforcement's probably coming. So he said once you guys got here, I think he will be willing to leave, and
Okay.
so great. But yeah, just
Okay.
don't want him here.
All right, sounds good.
All right, thanks.
Thank you. Hey, sir.
How's it going?
Do you go by JC?
Yeah, that's me.
They don't want you here anymore. You care to leave for me?
Yes, sir. I'm trying to do a sunshine request first.
Well, this
business.
isn't the way you do it.
Hey,
So, but they want you to leave. So let's step out of the building, okay?
Well, is it a public office?
Sir, they told me it's their building, it's the state's building, and they don't want you here. So
That
you
makes
need
it
to
public.
leave.
Are you going to
No, it
arrest
does
me
not
if
make
I
it-
don't?
Yes, sir, I will arrest you. if
That's
you do
all
not
I
leave.
need. Is what's your name, badge number?
It's all painted right here.
Oh, so you just don't want to say it?
That's not bad. You can see it clearly, correct? So
Yeah, but-
let's go ahead and go.
All right, don't touch me. I'll go. Don't touch me. Don't put your hands on me.
Go ahead and step out, because I've asked you 3 times now to step out of the building.
I'm going to. What's your name and badge number?
I've already given it to you.
No, you didn't. You didn't give me your badge
Okay.
number.
So if they don't want you here anymore, if you come back, they're gonna want you
Am I
to charge
detained?
you with trespass. Nope.
All right, then I don't want to hear nothing you got to say. You're dismissed. You're dismissed, Brixie. Get back to work. You don't want to identify. I'm going to come back, and I'm going to do my sunshine request like allowed by law.
Okay.
You're violating my rights, sir.
Okay.
It's state property. That means it's public. And you put your hands on me.
Yep. Because you refuse to
You
leave.
cannot put your hands on a private citizen, sir, without cause.
Sir,
Did
if,
I
you,
co-
go, if you go back in the building, you're going to be arrested for trespassing. Have a great day.
Did I commit a crime?
Yes, you're trespassing.
No, I'm not. You just asked me to leave and I left. Afterwards, it's a crime, buddy. Learn the law.